Hello, good morning. Let's begin with the next lesson from our English Bal Bharati textbook. Lesson number 5, Me, Myself and I. Okay, before we go on to this poem, I'll just tell you something about me, myself and I. Do you think that these are three different people? No. Here, me means me only, myself means also me, and I also me. Okay. But every child is different from the other child. Okay. There are no two children who are same. Even if they are twins, identical twins also, they are looking same from outside. Still they are different. How they are different? Because every child has a different way in which the child thinks. Every person is different in the way you talk. There is a difference in the way you play, different in the way you learn and also live. So all these things make you different from every other child, and that is why you are unique. There is nobody else in the whole world like you. आपके जैसा इस दुनिया में और कोई नहीं है, इसीलिए उसको क्या कहते हैं, यूनिक. एंड योर यूनिक ऑल्सो एंड स्पेशल ऑल्सो, बिकॉज I said no, there is nobody else just like you. You are only there like you. Okay, so you are unique and special. What else is different? Your likes, dislikes, and hobbies. All these are also different from the other children. Okay. So now let's read or recite this poem. Okay. Me, myself, and I. You can repeat after me. We went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Okay. So here what the child is saying, ki me, myself and I. That means the child herself, she has gone to the kitchen and her mother must have made a pie. She took the pie and she ate it. And when her mother saw, ki, oh come on, my daughter is going inside and she is eating that pie. She saw it from outside. Oh, she is eating. Now let me, she must have kept it for a special occasion, is it not? She must have thought कि okay, when everybody else comes home we'll all have it together, है ना. मम्मा आपकी रखती है ना ऐसे कुछ स्पेशल चीज बनाती है, रात के खाने में खाएंगे सब साथ में मिलके, है ना. We do it many times that something special is there, we all eat it together. Or sometimes things are brought when there is a birthday, or your mama makes it when there is a special occasion. She makes it and we want that it should be had with everybody, सब साथ में मिलके खाए ऐसा लगता है. So this little girl, she went inside, but you feel, no, small children, you all feel कि oh, you feel very restless if something special and something specially your favorite is there inside and you want to have it. So what you do when mama is not looking, चुपके से you go into the kitchen and you slowly you see to it that nobody is looking at it and you try to have it. Okay, same way this little girl, what she did, she went into the kitchen and she ate that pie. Okay, and her mother, she saw it. Okay, and then she came inside and chased us out with a rolling pin. Now, is are there many people? No, us means what? Me, myself and I. Oh, she's saying that us, she's just trying to show that there were three people, but actually only she had gone. Okay, and chased us out with a rolling pin. Chased means उसको भगा दिया, बाहर निकाल दिया. कैसे? रोलिंग पिन से. रोलिंग पिन मतलब बेलन, लाटणो. Okay, so I will go in detail with the meaning later on in the next slides. Okay, and this poem is written by somebody who is anonymous. What do you mean by anonymous? You know, जिसका नाम नहीं मालूम है. We don't know the name. Then we write here as the poet is anonymous. Okay, okay. So once more we'll read. You can repeat after me. Me, myself and I, we went to the kitchen and ate a pie. Then my mother, she came in and chased us out with a rolling pin. Okay, it's a funny little poem, is it not? Okay, chalo. Now one more thing, we have been learning rhyming words. So since this is a poem, there are rhyming words. Look here at the end. Me, myself and I is rhyming with pie. I, pie. I, pie. I and pie are rhyming words. Similarly here, in and pin. In, pin are rhyming words. Okay. I, pie, in, pin are rhyming words. So you can note it down in your notebook, English notebook. I, pie, in, pin are rhyming words. I'm not going to give this in PDF. You can write it on your own. Okay. Now let me tell you what is the meaning of pie. Pie is a baked dish. हम केक भी बेक करते हैं ना, उसी तरह ये भी बेक करते हैं. So this is a baked dish and it may have fruit, meat or vegetables. Fruits normally ये ज़्यादा करके एप्पल से बनाते हैं. So fruits may be there, with vegetables also you can make, or with a non-veg also you can make. Okay, so it is a baked dish, खाने की चीज़ है. Then next, chase. Chase means run after the other. Here I have shown how this dog is chasing this man. Okay. Now rolling pin means, I already told you, it is Valen or Latner. Rolling pin is used to shape and flatten the dough. What is dough? Dough means pit. आटा. आटा गीला वाला, हाँ, सूखा नहीं. तो हम उससे शेप देते हैं. We give the shape to that dough. ओके, फ्लैट कर देते ना उसको, सर्कल बना देते, रोटी बनाते उससे. ओके, सो दिस इज द रोलिंग पिन. And dictation words, again dictation words are for self study. I will quickly go through the spellings so that there is no mistake in the pronunciation. Now this is myself, my, you can repeat after me. myself, myself. kitchen, kitchen. pie, pie. ate, ate. ate means खाना, खा लिया, खाके हो गया. cha, sed, chased. ro, double ling, rolling. pin, pin. Rolling pin. Once more. Myself, kitchen, pie, ate, chased, rolling pin. Okay, and your homework is page number 50 in your English textbook. Question number 3, about myself. There are fill in the blanks. You can fill in that. Okay, so every child will have a different thing. So I am not putting it down over here. You can do it with the help of your mama and papa. Okay, myself means you have to write your name and all. Everything is written over there. Just complete it in your textbook itself. No need to write in your notebook. Okay, that's all for today. Bye. See you.